Hello. Wow, what a day we have had at Scrimba Towers. We've had it all. Well, not all, but we've had some excitement, as I'm sure some of you are aware. Yes. Oh, no. Drama. Hassan Osman says hello. So does Martin Friedel. And Dave first once again. And Asimawe Pablo. Wow, sending the Scrimba team lots of love from Uganda. Right back at you. Thank you very much. Yeah, well, here we are on day 10, no less, of JavaScriptmas. I cannot believe it. Michael, as you can see, is not with me. No, he was going to have his Christmas party, but he's not well. So, no Christmas party for him, and he also can't code. Boo! Not good. However, I will endeavour to code alone. Yes. Hello to Lacho. What do you mean once again? I'm never first. I think you were first last week. Yeah. You're on a roll, Dave. So, we had better get into it. But just in case you don't know what I'm blathering on about, Scrimba is a place where you can come and learn to code, and we currently have JavaScriptmas going on, which is an advent calendar of festive code challenges. Yes, and there are 1,384 elves already working on those challenges. Yay! Amazing stuff. So, I am going to get on it. I was thinking about which ones we should do, and I have settled for, first of all, this bad boy here. It is the Christmas card writer. Every single time I looked at this challenge, I got that Beatles song in my head, but replacing paperback writer with Christmas card writer. And I actually hate the Beatles, so that was that wasn't great, but you know, I have to suffer for my art. Let's look at the challenge. Where is it? Oh. Task. Write a function to display a random greeting in the card. Random greetings are here. Card is here. It's a very exciting Christmas card. Maybe we should jazz it up. Yes. Happy JavaScriptmas, says Oleg. I wonder if that is the Oleg of Solution of the Day fame, not this. On our usual weekly Web Dev Challenge submissions page, we currently have a JavaScriptmas vault, I suppose, where we're keeping solutions of the day. And someone called Oleg has been selected by Michael because not only does his festivity loader load, I guess, the days until Christmas, it also loads the days until Ukrainian Christmas, because they're two different things, people. Yeah. Ukrainian Christmas, I think, is January the 6th. Not totally sure. And we have these totally cool light up dots. It's me. Amazing stuff. Woo. Well done to you, Oleg. Dave loves the background. Me too. Very nice indeed. Well done to you. Why do hackers attack educational communities? This has been happening a lot because they suck. That's why. Yes. It's very sad, but we will rise again. Yes. Boo to hackers. Tamara says you should do a challenge like this every month. I love it. Yeah. We have thought about different ones we can do, like CS Easter, maybe. I don't know yet, but we will see. Hopefully, we will do more. Okie dokie. Time to get on with my challenge, which is this. Oh, here's the link, by the way, to check out Solutions of the Day. Yes. And I will continue this. So, I think this should be fairly straightforward. All I need to do is check out the HTML. I have a card with the ID of card and a greeting display, which is the paragraph where the greeting will go, and a button called Write Card, this one. So really, these have already been grabbed. Bauble. What's that? I don't think there is a bauble. Interesting. Maybe we can use it. But for now, I need greeting display. I've got greeting display. And I've got button. Okay. Well, in that case, I will go right on ahead and I will do function write card. Oh, come on, Leanne. Write card. Beautiful. That is, oh, I've minimized something. I've minimized the chat. I can't see what people are saying. Disaster. Angel says he thinks the Krampus was behind this. Possibly. It's that level of demonic. Ew. Did offer Debbie a solution to automate her strikes, but some damn hacker deleted it. Oh, man. Boo. We will come to that in a minute. Dave is talking about the festivity loader challenge. He helped someone out, and someone deleted the help. Boo. I mean, that really is not in the spirit of the season, is it? Anyway, so I'm going to generate a random number, first of all. And that number will be used to select a greeting from the greetings array. So let random num equals, I think I finally memorized it. Let's see, math.floor, math.random. Yeah, but I think this is a capital M. And then I want to find a number between 1 and the length of this array. So that's got to be time length dot, greetings dot length. I think that's it. Let's see what that's doing. Console.log random num. Right greeting is not defined. Ah, okay, fine. Change this. We've got 4. We've got 0. That's good. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5. I thought there were 4, which wouldn't have worked. 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1. Okay. Those are the numbers that we want, I reckon. Ace. So now all I have to do to render the image is greeting display dot inner text equals greetings, and then in here, oh man, random num. Let's give that a go. Yes, woo! Clapping myself. Yes, we have an array, different greeting, a literal array, actually. I meant that figuratively, but we have got a literal array of greetings rendering themselves into my card. Yay! Am I solving everything, Debjet? No. Wow, crikey, can you imagine? I mean, maybe. I've said on the YouTube thumbnail that I would do 3, so let's go with that. Capital M. Thank you, Dave. Yes, times 6. I wonder why 6. Because there were 5, you were thinking, perhaps, and we want Yeah, I don't know. Let me know. Happy holidays. Ah, good job. Thank you, Martin. Yes, and that is exactly what I've done. Dave multiplied it by greetings.length and wrapped it in math.floor. Woo! So, question is now, do I go for stretch goals here, or do I try to add some, or do I try to do some different challenges? I reckon I should finish the 3 that I've said I was going to do, and then come back. Yes, that's what I will do. Woo! Sivan has just started with JavaScript, but pretty excited to try this out later. Yay! By the way, if you have not yet started JavaScript, it's not too late. No. Give it a go here, and you can either do all of the challenges so far, or some of them, or you can just start from today. And everyone that you share your solution with, or for, gets you one chance to win 1,000 USD on the 24th of December. Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah. Interesting. So now, I'll go on to one of my favorite challenges, which was don't scare your relatives. I like this one. So we have a leftover from Halloween decoration banner of some kind. And the text is correct, but we still have this terrifying font, which is called Rubik for some reason. Oh no, Beastly. Rubik Beastly. That sounds like a Harry Potter character. Yeah, so we have that, and we have little ghost and pumpkin. Not the cat pumpkin, a literal pumpkin. So we should change that. What do we have? P with an ID of greeting. Oh, there's a stray span tag there, which is a bit annoying. Should I delete it? Maybe not. I think I could actually use it. I'm going to delete it for now, but I might come back to it. Yes. So, over in the JS, what do we have? Just grab to the greeting and the button. Well, there isn't anything else to grab, really. Ooh, interesting question from Deepak. When are the daily winners announced? Well, they are announced over on our Twitter sometime after midday GMT, except over the weekend, because I announce the weekend winners all on Monday. Yes, so weekdays around midday-ish on our Scrimba's Twitter. Yes. Answer. I'm glad Scrimba has Leanne. Always there to hype people up. Thank you for that, Leanne. Oh, thank you. I do try. Yes, it's on Scrimba's Twitter. Correct. Amando. Anyway, yes, function fix. Task. Write a function to fix the UI problems with this Christmas message. Make it Christmassy. Run the function when the fix button is clicked. Well, that seems simple enough. First up, btn dot add event listener. On the old click, I will do fix. Check that is go. We will do console log. Beep. It's beeping, everyone. It's beeping. Yay. Cool. So now I'm going to write a function to fix these UI problems. The first thing is, where are they actually coming from? Well, I guess clearly the CSS. So, oh. Maybe not then. Ah, yes. So, oh, crumbs. In our container, which is this white thing, that is where the font family is actually being set. It's not set on the paragraph itself, interestingly. But that doesn't matter because we can easily override that. So I will do that. Yes. And in the HTML, I already have the best Christmas font ever, which is Mountains of Christmas. So I reckon, now, Michael and I had some fun with this the other day. Google Fonts. First of all, I need to go and find the correct kind of name thing of Mountains of Christmas. I don't know what this is or why I keep ending up in the Google Fonts doc, but that kind of sucks. So fonts. And it happened again. Am I dreaming? Home. Simple to use. Get started. I don't want the docs. I don't understand. It's been a long day. Why am I in developers? No. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Mountains. Here we go. This is what I wanted. And this is basically what I'm trying to do. But it's not as simple as all that because I'm doing it with JS. Wrong one. So I'll go here and I will grab greeting dot style and then font family equals. Now this is a bit of a pain because you have to do something like, I think it's this. Basically, you have to wrap it in the other type of quote that isn't used in Mountains of Christmas. I think. Let's try. That has not worked, but do not fear, because what I will do for now is get rid of this. Try this. Now, wasn't it something with this? Yeah, it was. Yay, woo. Okay, so I can put Mountains of Christmas back in. So I did learn something after all. From my last experience. Yes, this is Mountains of Christmas. Just to prove to you, that's what cursive looks like. And this is Mountains of Christmas. Is there. Amazing! Yeah. Middle block free to use. Is that to me? Don't know. Let me know. Hello to Tom. Amazing stuff. Yes, correct. Dave, you can still do yesterday's challenge. It will still count towards the 24th Big December draw. Yes, yesterday's challenge and any of the previous challenges. It's just the daily challenge that has, the daily prize that has a deadline of midnight GMT. And for that, you get 1 year of Scrimba Pro. Yes, indeed. But you can do any of these at any point before our live stream on the 24th. And you get extra tickets into the lottery. Yes. Ooh. It's fonts.google.com. Yes. Thank you. Amazing stuff. Okay. Where am I at now? So we have Merry Christmas. We're still beeping. We can stop beeping now. But we need to switch out the emojis. We could just change it with greeting.text content. But it would kind of be nice to not change the whole message and only change the emojis. So, thinking about how I could make that with spans. Would they have to have their own IDs, I guess? Well, we could grab them by tag name. And then I guess they'd all have to have the same Christmas emojis, but I could live with that, couldn't I? Yeah, let's give it a go. I'll just do it with one and then we'll see how that goes. Oh, but then I'm going to end up with an array. Or that, you know, when you grab things by tag name and you end up with an HTML collection. That's a pain. Maybe I will just do IDs. I mean, it's easy, isn't it? Okay, let's do span 1. It's 1. Crikey. Span 1. And then, I don't think I saved my HTML, so I will do that now. And span 1 dot text content equals this. Let's give that a go. Oh. Error, unknown error. Ah, didn't give it an ID. Okay, how about now? Oh. Ah. Yes, that needs to close it. And now. Yes. Woo! So now, basically, I will just do the same thing for the ghost. Even though ghosts are kind of Christmassy. Like, what's that Christmas film with ghosts? The Ghost of Christmas Past and all that. However, I think we can go even more Christmassy. Yes. Span 2.text content, and for this I will go with snowman. Keeping with the white theme. Okay. Yay! One Christmassy-fied message. No longer scaring my relatives. I heart, error, unknown error. Yep, it's a good one. Do you know, when you're on Scrimba, I'm sure Tom does know this, but anyone else out there? Okay, that's working, irritatingly. Oh, right, yeah, I need to change this. When you get error, unknown error, you can find out actually what the error is. Here. Cannot set property of null. Setting text content at HTML button element.fix. Yeah, so basically the error is known in the console. It just doesn't go through to Scrimba. So yes, little Scrimba hack there for you. Nice one. That's not a closing span. Yes, indeedy. Ah, hello. Mohammed Tahir Khan has made some lovely JavaScriptmas submissions. Brilliant. Well done to you. Keep on coming. And I'll show you one now. This beautiful one selected by Michael. So it's the same one that I just did. Not only one Christmassy theme, but 3 to choose from. Yeah. I think I like this one the best. Green one. Very nice indeed. Okay, so we are 2 down. 1, 2. So I'll now do one more. How did span 2 work when you hadn't grabbed it in the JS? That is a very good question. Maybe you don't need to. It can just somehow know. I will grab it anyway. It'll probably make it more robust, won't it? Although, what I will do first, comment this out, and then just out of interest, here, I will console log span 2 to see what it is. It knows what it is, Dave. And everyone else watching. How? Woo. That is mysterious indeed. But anyway, I will put it in and hope that it's not a sign of the bots becoming too intelligent. As scary as that is. I'm a little freaked out. Yes, me too. Never mind. We have solved the challenge, and that what's That is what matters. Ooh. Yes, Dave has reminded me with this elephant emoji that we should do our weekly tradition, which is, if you are new here, please put a bunny rabbit into the chat. And if you've been before, hit me with that tiger. And if you're Dave or anyone else from Colchester, hit me with that elephant. It's because there's an elephant in Colchester, in the zoo, not just running around the town. I understand. Might be wrong on that one. Yeah. Amazing. Span 2 is really like a ghost. Yeah, totally. Daniel Raduku. Can I still do the challenges of the past days and have a chance of winning $1,000? Yes, you absolutely can. Yes, you can do all the past days, and every single one you do before December 24th will be one ticket into our grand prize draw. Lots of tigers in that chat. Amazing. Welcome back. And Deepak, the bunny rabbit, welcome to you. Nacho is a tiger. And we have Martin, a bunny rabbit, and many other tigers and bunnies. Welcome, Sash, welcome back. Christmas turned Halloween real quick. Yeah, I mean, they're kind of merging into one these days, aren't they? Even in the world of JavaScriptmas. Who'd have thought? Okay, on to the last challenge. I have decided, against my better judgment perhaps, to do this one, which was the play a song one from Bob. Task: add the functionality to play, pause, and stop the jingling bells. Jingling bells being bells.mp3. You may be wondering what's the difference between pause and stop, or you may not be. Just for clarity, pause is you stop the music but keep the same time stamp so you can start it from the same point, basically, and stop resets it to the beginning of the song. How did I get the emoji picker in the Scrimba editor? Well, I, on a Mac, just press FN. Yeah. Or you can press, I think it's Control Command Space. No. Option Command Space. Oh, no, definitely not that. There is another one on Mac that sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. But if you just Google how to open your emoji picker on whatever machine you're on, it should work in here. If it doesn't, you can copy and paste them from Emojipedia, which is a bit more work because you have to go in and manually copy them, but it's a workaround anyway. So that's how I did it. Yes. Okay. Oh, now. Oh, thank you, Nacho. Window is window key plus colon. Very helpful. Or window and a period. One of the two. Guess it depends on your keyboard. Yes. So now, give this a go. What do I have in my JS? I have grabbed these buttons with the document.element get element by ID, and I have saved them into variables. It's tempting to just write dot add event listener on the end of these. I don't really know why people don't do that, but they don't. So I guess I'd better not. Probably. There's a much better way of doing this. I always feel when I'm writing a lot of event listeners that there should be some better way, but I don't know what it is. No, not listen. Click. And play, I suppose you're going to do. And then we're going to do pause. And stop. Now I'm thinking about it. I don't think we need a separate function for this. I think what I can do, which might not be that readable actually, so maybe it would be better to have a separate function. I will show you and you will let me know what you think. And I'll stop. This is going to be pause, and I will explain why shortly. Reference error. Play is not defined. No, it's not. That is because I first need to grab my audio and save it in a variable. So I'm going to do const audio, or should I do const bells? No, we'll do audio because we might want to swap it out for something else, you know, carol singing or something, equals new, I hope this is right, audio, and then the path where my audio is kept, bells.mp3. Right. Yes. So now I will add my play function. Function play, oops. Function play. Maybe it should be play audio. Right, come on, don't bike shit, Leanne. And I don't know if this is going to work. Audio.play. Let's give that a go. Pause is not defined and stops, or this one's not defined, but we won't worry about that. Okay, get ready for some jingle bell action. Oh, that. I don't know why I wasn't expecting that to work. Yay, bells. Louder bells. Woo! I can't turn it off. So, oh no, I should have done that. Now I've deleted my work. Oh, that's really annoying. Okay. Now I'm going to have to retype it. What a fool. Okay, never mind. It's fine. Play dot add event listener. Why are you not working? Oh, play BTN, that's why. And play, yeah. And then resave const audio equals was it bells.mp3? I feel like there's more to it than that. Yeah, I've just done something, and you'd think I'd remember it, but you know, no, evidently not. Is it? Oh wait, no, I need my new audio, and then this, and this. Yes, I have an unruly 3. It should be in there. Cannot access audio before initialization. I think that's maybe because I haven't done anything with it yet. Function play, and then we do the old. Oh, I want you to be a capital. I want this audio.play. Now this time we're just going to have to tolerate the bells ringing. Or I could just do that. That works as well. Yes. If you fast forward to the yellow dot where you have a note, you should find your work. I would have found my work, that's correct, if I had saved it, but I had not. Very amateurish. Didn't work for me. I had to use an event listener to make sure the audio was ready to play. I don't know if I'm missing part of the conversation here. I like chaining the event listener on the end, because then you don't need to create consts unless you need to access the element multiple times. Yeah, but I just noticed that many people don't do this, so I think there must be some reason why, but maybe not. Maybe I could just make my life simpler. Yeah. Ooh. It was my first time with Css Animations. The stretch goal for that one was interesting. What is the stretch goal? Or maybe you mean the next day's one, because I think it was day 9. Nope. Perhaps it was 8. The next day's one is the same app, basically, but now you have the task of animating this bell. So maybe we'll do that next, if we have time. Oh, crumbs, running out of time. Anyway, So the audio is playing. We want to be able to stop the audio so we don't get a repeat of that. But that's basically the same thing. Audio. Audio.pause. Okay, and then we need this. Maybe I will just add it on here so we can compare the two. Add event listener. Oh no, wrong word. Add event listener. Click. And then play. No, not play. Pause. Let's give that a go. That has worked. Yay. Oh. Yes. So now I can explain what I meant when I said I don't think we necessarily need a new function. What I meant was I could go in and do, well, I'll show you actually. If I do this, stop, and then make a new function called stop, all I have to do is reset the audio. Yes, so I do audio.pause, and then I do audio, and then dot current time equals 0. So that's putting the song back to the start, basically. Rewinding it. If you're old school like me, let's see what that does. So, I mean, it's kind of hard to tell, isn't it? Because it's just sleigh bells. So I'm pretty sure that is working. But what I think I could have done, oh, yeah, maybe not. I was going to do something like pause. And then I want to add in like the current time as well. I'm not explaining that very well. But anyway, I think it's probably nice to have a separate function. Nice and clear, if a little verbose. However, I do like chaining these event listeners. So I think I'm going to do that. But Tom's saying, somewhere, allow me to, oh no, I've gone too far. Tom said, yes, I like chaining the event list on the end because then you don't need to create the consts. So can we just do, I guess so. Nice. I am going to do that. Yeah. Now, one thing which has been annoying me with this is that I tend to think that when you pause, to unpause should be pressing it again. But that would be really complicated, wouldn't it? Crickets singing. I feel like it would be. I guess you'd have to, how would you do this? Save some kind of state for the button. And then, maybe it's not that bad. It's not complicated, lol. Okay, I'm pretty sure it is, but we'll give it a go anyway. I might gonna have to Google this. JS. Ooh, thank you for your helpful input. Create a Boolean state is paused. Like the sound of that. I think the button has a selected state. Does it? HTML. Button, I'm not sure. Even if it does, I'm not sure what I would do with it. Is the aria selected? I think that might just be radio buttons. However, I like the sound of creating a Boolean state. Audio.pause may be a property. Toggle, the play pause buttons will be the same, but the icon changes. Ew, that's an interesting one. So you wouldn't have the 3 buttons, you'd just, yeah. I quite like having the 3, because then you have traffic light effect. But that is an interesting approach. Anyway, I'm going to go with create Boolean state is paused, I reckon. Okay, I'm in the wrong one. I was like, why are these not chained on the end of them? I swear I did that. Okay, fine. We're all good. So in, I guess outside of it, const is paused equals pause. Oh, crumbs. Function pause, audio pause, and then is paused equals true. I think I need in here if is paused equals false, then we do this. Else audio.play, I guess, or just the play function. And set is paused to false. Oh, yeah, of course. Can't be a const. Let's give that a go. Yay! Woo! Amazing! Thank you, everyone, for your help. That is super exciting. Brilliant stuff. However, as Jessica has said, and Dave, it would be nice if when this is paused, when it's paused, we had play button instead of pause. So how can we do that? Oh, we are going to need to grab grab this span, and I think we can just change the inner HTML. ID equals play pause BTN. I can write BTN all I want because Michael isn't here. Yeah, stick it to the man. I don't know why Michael hates BTN, but you know. Anyway, so now I've got to grab it here. Yeah, documents. Oh, no, I do need to save this as a const, I think. Get element. What is your deal? Oh, right, need a name. Play. Oh, so now BTN was the after all that. Play, pause, icon. But I actually can't use BTN because it's the icon. Never mind, maybe next time. document.getElementById. And then, yeah, now, I pause btn. And then grab this. Play pause icon dot. They're not inner HTML actually, I think text content equals. And now I need play arrow, which is, these are Google material icons. And the way that they work is you get a span with the name of it inside it, and then the class somehow renders the icon onto the screen. So by changing my pause button to play arrow, I think that's going to work. That has not worked. Oh, that's because it's in the wrong place. Is it? What's going on in the chat? Thank you very much for your replies, both of you. No, is false is not really required, I guess. Isn't it? Do the else part in the equals false section. I don't know. I think I need it. I do need it because isn't it is paused? Oh, I see. You want to swap them around so I can. Yeah, I think I know what you mean. Let's get it working, and then I might refactor. Anyway, why is this not working? That's very annoying. Play pause icon text content equals play arrow. So that is when is paused equals false. We want to pause the audio. And then is paused equals, we're setting is paused to true. And play pause icon dot text content equals play arrow. Should work. Console.log. Play pause icon. Null. Okay, well therein lies the problem. I have not successfully grabbed. Oh, that's why. How about now? Yes! Woohoo! Yay! Okie dokie. So now, in my else statement, I'm going to put the icon back to pause. Nice. I don't need this console log anymore. Let's try out. Yeah. Yeah! Come on. Come on. Wait. Now, what Sozo is saying here is a very good point. If I swap these around, I can make some cleaner code. So the false condition, I guess, can go down here, and the true condition can stay up here because is paused equals true. Let's just confirm this is working. Yeah, is the same as if you just put is paused. So yes, very good point indeed. Thank you, Sozo. Lovely. So that's that. Oh, 8 minutes left. Now earlier, Lacho asked, what are you doing? Today's, oh, my style. Today's challenge, Leanne. Let's give it a go. Oh, Like, this is actually, yeah. Wiring up the festivity loader shouldn't be too difficult, famous last words. It's just the animating it and changing the colors of these meters is an unbelievable pain. I tried to make a YouTube video about this, and I spent hours, literally hours, doing it. And I finally figured out a way to do it. I was doing it for both progress and the meter bars. Finally figured it, win. But then I went and tested it on Safari, and it was completely different and didn't work. And I could not find a workaround for that. I don't think it's possible. I genuinely don't think it's possible. I've been to the 27th page of Google looking for a way to style these things. It doesn't exist. Anyway, yes, let's give this a go. Task. Write a function to wire up a festivity loader to reflect how many days are remaining until Christmas. Ooh. Okay, so first things first, I am going to check out my HTML. Now, not very complicated, just a container, which is the red box thing, and then a meter with an ID of meter. Oh, right. Max 25. That's the, obviously, maybe not obviously, it's the top number it can get to. So in Britain, we celebrate Christmas on the 25th of December, so it's the 25th. You can adjust it for your own country. So to just hard code this would look like this, because it's the 10th today. I, for now, will put 0 into here so that we can see that it's working, basically. Okay, so now this is going to involve JavaScript dates, isn't it? Oh. Okay, never mind, we will prevail. JS get today's date. Now this dot to locale date string, I think, gets you the whole December the 10th, 2021, and maybe even the time. We only want the day, i.e. 10. So I reckon it's this. And yes, const today equals this bad boy. Oh, we didn't need that. Now let's see what that is. Console.log today. Oh, that's annoying. That's not what I want. Okay. Let's go to the old NBN date. Global objects dates. Is this what I want? Yes. Oh, okay. So what I want is get date. Didn't I do that? I did this. Well, what's the difference? Oh, I have to put it in there. Do I? Read the docs, Leanne. Read the docs. Oh, so just this. That doesn't look right. Get date is not defined. No, I think I need a new date and then 10. Yes, that's what I want. Okay. So now I don't need this. I can do. Actually, no, I do need that because it's just going to run on page load. It's not. There's no button or anything. I'm going to go for function. Load festivities. And then I will save up here const Christmas equals 25. Now what do you? Christmas minus today. Oh no. That's not what I want. I want to load. I don't need this, I don't think. I want to load in this meter. So meter.value. It always tells me node value. I don't want node value. Equals. Let's hard code it for now and see what that does. 10. Okay. Load festivities. Oops. Yes. I think that's worked. Has it? That kind of looks like it's not enough, but I think it probably is enough. Let's try. Yeah, it is. Okay then. And then this. Okay. Yes. Woo! Yeah, you're telling me there are different Christmas dates? There are. In Norway, the main Christmas day is December 24th. And in Ukraine, it's January the 6th, which would make this function a lot more complicated because you'd have to bear in mind that it's not just taking away from 25 because it's going into the next month. But I'm not in Ukraine, so I don't have to worry about that. No. New date, dot get date is what I meant. You were bang on. Amazing. Okay, wow, 17:59. I cannot believe it. Don't forget to do your JavaScriptmas challenges over the weekend. Yes. Yeah, you can do it all in one line. Fancy. Got there in the end. In Russia, we celebrate Christmas in January, on January 7th. Ooh. Interesting. Yes. Maybe it is January the 7th in Ukraine as well. Probably is. Yes. Okay. Actually, I can check. No, I can't check. Because I'm babbling. Anyway, join JavaScriptmas. Stretch goal. Multinational Christmas countdown calendar. Yes, that would be amazing. When you come to the JavaScriptmas page, you may see a button here somewhere, which, if you press it, will give you an email every day with the challenge, so you can be the first to know. Yes, indeed. So come along and do as many as possible. Woo! In Mexico, December 24th flows into midnight on the 25th. Fabulous. Yes. Google says it's December 25th in Ukraine. What can I say? I think what it is traditionally it's in January, but according to Michael's family, more and more people are also doing the December 25th one as well. Yes. Rather than me, one Christmas is more than enough. Although you could have double JavaScriptmas, which would be amazing. Ooh, 25th in Myanmar. Nice one. Well done, Leanne. You are a true coder. Thank you very much to Dave. And all of you who came along to my solo coding endeavor. Yes, it was great to have you here and have all your help solving these challenges. I could not have done it without you. And don't forget to hop on over to our to our solutions of the day every day to check out some amazing inspiration for these super cool solutions. Michael and I will be back on Wednesday. We'll be reviewing job ads. And what I mean by that is we'll be looking at job ads and seeing if there's any red flags or any green flags, which ones stand out and look like amazing jobs, which ones look like they will be hell on earth, and so on. Yes, so that should be very interesting. have a lovely weekend. Over on my personal channel, we'll be releasing, hopefully soon, a new video about how to make a carousel. Yes, it's all recorded, just need to edit. So keep an eye out for that, and it might help you with a JavaScriptmas challenge sometime soon. Okay then, thank you for coming along. It was amazing to have you all here. Oh no, by mistake, I opted out of receiving those emails. How do I undo that? You can drop an email to help@scrimba.com and I will fix that up for you. But in the meantime, you can always access the challenge from the JavaScriptmas main page, so do not worry. Yes. Looks like the guy out of The Professionals, Lewis Collins. Really? I tell you what, a lot of people say that Michael looks like Russell Crowe. I mean, like a younger Russell Crowe. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, a lot of people say that. Randomers in a pub, my mother, all sorts. It's the jumper. Nice. Yes. Same, 25th of December in India. Well, then hopefully this solution will help you to load your festivities. Okay, everyone, I will catch you later. It was amazing to catch up. Really enjoyed it. And hopefully Scrimba's Discord server will be back up soon. Yes. Catch you later.